Okay, so what I've been able to diagnose with this engine is that the engine froze and it caused the power splitting device to get damaged because the power splitting device was unable to rotate. And so when it was unable to rotate, the chain broke off of the power splitting device, the transmission. So it sounds like we would probably need a full rebuild or a full engine and transmission combination instead of just an engine. So I'll go ahead and start dismantling this car or this engine and see and pull this out and see if we were right. The originally the engine came completely frozen. I was able to unfreeze it by taking out the spark plugs, putting in some oil, lubricating it a little bit. So it seems like, as you can see from the previous video, it is spinning. So